Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is being made after a long time. I got this last week and I'm dying to open it. This is supposed to be a surprise for my birthday, which is around the corner. I was seriously expecting a book, but I really don't know what this is. I promise, and let's get unboxing this. I hope it's something good. It's heavy. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Seriously, this looks very cool. So this is an astronomical telescope 36050 with 90 times magnification, and that too with a HD lens. Okay, here are all the parts of the astronomical telescope, and these are all the functions it can do. It's compact and portable, it's easy to operate, it has a high magnification, it has a multi-coated lens, and it's designed for kids and beginners. So I've never had a telescope before, I didn't have much experience. This telescope is going to be a first. So let's see how it turns out and if it's worth any money at all. They gave it in a Dropbox box. It looks nice and packaged. So this telescope states that it can be used for exploring the moon, the Mars, and even Jupiter, which is a long distance away. It can even be used for terrestrial uses like bird watching, sky watching, exploring nature, etc. So this is the main box, and let's see what it is. A silicone gel packet. These are the lenses of the telescope. This is a like the tripod for keeping the telescope. The fixing stand for fixing the tripod into the telescope, and this is the telescope. Let's see how good it is. Here's the main telescope part. It says caution, do not look at the sun because it has high heat. This looks very good. I love watching the moon and the stars, and I think this is going to be very helpful for that. And it looks promising, and I think it's going to be very good. So this is the instruction manual. It was there in this box. These are the main parts of the telescope. This looks like it's a worthwhile product. It's strong, made of high-grade plastics and good materials. In the next video, I'm going to read this instruction manual thoroughly, go up to my apartment's terrace and show you how the moon, Mars, Jupiter and other planets look from this telescope. So subscribe for more videos and see you in the next video. You're going to enjoy it for sure. Thanks a lot. Bye.